What's up, you guys? It's your boy Miguel giving your daily dose of radiation. In today's video, we are covering, so you want to be an X-ray tech, but you do not know where to start. I'm here to guide you through the steps and through multiple videos, but I will give you the essential, what I call the speed run. So essentially, you're going to go to find a college that offers the program. Usually it's 2 years. Some will have for bachelor's degrees, and it comes with certain prerequisites courses that you have to take either before you get into the program. A few of them allow them in the program, but usually it's before. Just as far as competitiveness, it's pretty hard to get in. So depending on your place, they have like between 20 to, I've seen up to 30 slots available. And as far as prerequisites of courses in college, you have your basic like English, math, some sciences, A&P 1 and 2, physiology, psychology, and I believe they also required like some kind, well, my college, like fine arts, some kind of like art class or music class, and then algebra. And I think that was about it. And then you had some extra courses that you could take to like get a little bit more points stacked up and help you. So I would say that your best bet is to take all the courses that they require you and any extra courses and try to get the highest grade possible to give you the highest chance of getting into the program. Now, as far as you applying to the program, certain programs, they have their application period during the fall, some during the spring, some during the summer, depending. Usually they have, since they have like the first year and the second year, they usually do applications only 1 time a year. Now, as far as cost, the cost can vary depending if you're just getting associates to a bachelor. I would say you're going to be pushing my program when I graduated during 2022. The program itself, just the program, doesn't include gas, doesn't include nothing like that, food, whatever, or just like staying. That's me living at home with my parents, commuting to my college, which was like 15 minutes away. The program itself said about 15,000, 16,000-ish. That included books and everything that you had to deal with. That does not include all the pre-courses that come with it. I would say you could probably stack another $5,000 to $6,000 in the pre-courses that you have to take. And then you can probably stack another $1,000 or two between the gas and commuting and dealing with all the stuff. Like it adds up. So it is not the most cheapest profession to get into. I know other colleges have like super high tuition, so maybe this amount is pretty chill compared to like if you went to pursue for other degrees that are a little bit more higher. I know that there's like some universities, I think SMU is one that offers like a bachelor's course, which by the time you finish with those programs, you will have a second credential with you. You either go into like ultrasound, MRI, not MRI, CAT scan, interventional radiologies or specials, or cath lab. I think there's different modalities that they will cross-train, and they offer. Usually the most common and the easiest one is to do is CAT scan, because it's pretty close to X-ray. But those costs way a little bit more higher because obviously you're going to a university, and yeah, it costs more like that. But as far as just the X-ray program itself, it can range from like 18 months. I've seen some 16 months, others 21 months. Sorry, it's a little dark. I'm going into the night shift duty because that's where I work. But that kind of summarizes it. It's not easy. I'll let you know that. It's pretty challenging. Unless you're like one of those smart Sheldon people, it is quite challenging to go through the program itself. It will literally, you will have to put your family and a bunch of other activities that used to like kind of on hold and just kind of lock in and focus, because it's a lot of material that get thrown at you at a short period of time. So just keep that in mind. I know what you're saying. You're like, Miguel, I'm currently in college. I'm currently taking some of these prerequisite courses. It's easy. Okay, I know it is. Looking back at it, all the courses before you actually got into the medical program were literally high school 2.0. Was like easy, like not hard at all. But in the program itself, then the true, as I call it, let the games begin, the true challenge begins. Because maybe if you dissect course by course all by itself, it's not challenging. But what becomes challenging is when everything stacks. And then you add, oh, maybe you're not sleeping a lot. Then you have the clinical aspect. Everything kind of stacks together and it becomes challenging and overwhelming. And then if you're like me, who decided to have 2 kids during the program, back to back, it just makes it way more harder. So just keep that in mind if you're pursuing this beloved field of radiology. It is worth it. My lady is a nurse. Every day she's stressed. I'm literally like not that stressed half of the time. Make good money. Yeah, you make, like for basic x-ray to nursing, yeah, you'd probably make a few dollars less. But for the less stress, less patient interaction you have, I think it's worth it. And yeah, it's been your boy Miguel. See you on the next one.